Alpha Mind Power.
Cell Glow meditation and metaphysics, I really hope all of you enjoyed. I always enjoy this class a lot because it's a very tangible energy in most of the meditations with the energy ball and all that. You really feel the energy and you can really enjoy. Please practice. The energy ball is something which you will never get tired of. You can keep on using it throughout the day, wherever you are, as much as you can, and look at the results and let me know also. So now if you can speak one by one your name and from where you're joining us, and tell me what you felt about the class.
Ma'am, this is Manish from Mumbai. So this is my second quick class in succession. I just did Alpha Level 1 in March, right? So, I mean, this was, I think, quite amazing and totally a very unique experience because when we first felt the energy, in the hand, creating the ball, and when it was negative energy, I think the contrast which came through, I mean, and when you were talking, I could not imagine how it can be heavy, because that was more energy pushing the hands together. But I think overall an excellent experience, and with your blessings, I think we should benefit and try to do
definitely.
now. So the meditation part, the Alpha Level 1, at least, I mean, since the day I started, maybe every alternate day it has been happening, if not in routine. So I think it's very beneficial. And
Namaste.
I have seen him doing Alpha meditation, and I was just keen to start with this. So today he just said, just sit with me, and I really find it very amazing.
Very good, very
I
good. I'm so
really
happy.
feel the energy ball, and it was very nice, very nice.
Okay, I'm so happy you could join us. It's a wonderful thing. So please do our basic level whenever you can. Whenever it comes again, then if you start from there, it's even more easy to understand what we are doing. That will be much better. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ma'am, this is Ashokan from Ananagar East.
Yes.
This is the second class. The basic level twice I have attended.
Okay.
And this is the second class. In fact, last class Sanjeevani I was trying to attend, but I could not make it.
Okay.
The Sanjeevani class, the next class, I would be definitely attending it. I'll be following the other classes also, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you
sure.
very much. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you so much. Namaskar. Yes.
Bharati from Bangalore.
Yes.
Yes, I had done a lot of classes with you already, and this I really enjoyed today. Really enjoyed the syllabus metaphysics, which is the thing which always I wanted to know.
Okay.
Now the question is, when can I do? Because I have got Sri Vidya also and Amrita Siddhi. And how to schedule it? Is it okay if I do 2 meditations in a day?
Yeah, if you can do twice, it will be good. In one session, do only one main meditation.
Okay.
That will be better. See, Alpha Level 1, you don't have to do separately because it is, combined here. So see, if you're doing Cell Glow, you do only Cell Glow and your goals and other things. If you're doing Sri Vidya, do only Sri Vidya and then goals and other things. So 7 days in a week, if you can do twice, once in the morning and once in the evening, then you will find sufficient time.
I can combine Sri Vidya and these meditations also, like morning one.
Not in the same session. In one meditation session, you do only any one. Then evening, you can do the other one. That is better.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm Rajesh from Hyderabad.
Yes.
Now, basically, Trichy. So, I'm a bibliophile. I read a lot of books. The Alpha meditation I went through in this course, it was so relaxing, and I actually forgot that I existed for a second, and that felt really good. Trust me. And with regards to the other aspects, wherein the energy balls and stuff like that, that was truly wonderful, ma'am. I didn't expect at all that something like that could be done. And though they do teach in pranic healing how to do aura scanning and stuff like that, but this was something I didn't expect. Even there, they don't teach you these things.
Yes.
So I'm truly grateful, and I'm thankful that you still show these classes. I mean, I'm really grateful for that. And is it possible that one can cure even a large number of people at the same time using this color pranas?
No, I would not recommend, because healing, if you ask me, one person at a time is what works really, because you have to focus your mind on what is the ailment. So if it is, a large number of people at the same time, you can generally give them the healing energy. And then it depends on how each one receives the energy and how it works for them. So it will also benefit them definitely, but specific things may not happen. That's why. Individually, when you do, definitely it's very, very powerful. You should try this for your mother and whatever healing she requires. And please see how it is and please write to me. Whatever
Definitely,
is the progress, write an email or
Definitely.
something so that I get to know. Yeah.
I'll definitely be in touch, ma'am. I'm
Thank you
truly
so
grateful
much.
again, once again.
Thank you. Thank you so very much.
Guruji, good evening.
Good evening. Yes, how are you?
Good, good. I've been in your this for so many years now.
Correct. True.
Just wanted to refresh. It's a repeat program for me, so it was fantastic refreshing myself.
Very
Would
good,
like
very
to
good.
continue refreshing all the other courses also, plus
Yes.
the new course
Sure,
which you
sure,
will
sure.
be.
Yeah. Definitely. Please do join us. You're still in Mumbai, is it?
Yeah. Still in Mumbai.
Okay. So
Thank
please
you.
keep
Thank you
doing
so
self-glow.
much.
And you require a lot of, energy protection, etc. So please keep doing these meditations.
Our complex is completely closed now. It's
okay.
locked.
Okay. Please do this meditation and all our other meditations, Sanjeevani and all that. Please practice. Okay. All the best.
Thank
All
you.
the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I'm
Yes.
Shobana from Malaysia.
Yes.
I have attended a few of your programs, and I think that the program that I've attended is excellent, and also that I can't wait to experience this amazing energy. And also, I think that I'm quite gifted that you have run it in a very structured way and easy to understand. I think that is the gist of the program, and so I'm waiting to see that there are few family members that need healing, and I can't wait to see the outcome of this amazing meditation that has been conducted and also attended.
Very good. Thank you so much.
And thanks for your blessing and your time.
Definitely, my blessings are there. Please practice, heal people, use energy ball, and please write to me. I'm very interested to know the feedback from all of you.
Yes, I'm also waiting for the outcome. Yes.
Yeah. Please let me know. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thanks. Take care. Good night.
Good night. Yeah.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Madam, I have attended many of your workshops, but definitely this is something amazing.
Okay.
Really amazing. The cell glow is totally subtler, very subtler way, and of course the energy ball also manifestation is too good. Madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Namaste Guruji, Yogesh from Lucknow.
Yes, Yogesh.
I have already attended Alpha Meditation Level 1 in March month, and the experience was undoubtedly very, very great. And now for this cell grow meditation and metaphysics knowledge and the practical approach of that is really very amazing, and I feel that it will give me more help in future. Thank you very much. Need your blessings.
Thank you so much, and my blessings always. Thanks for joining. Please practice and do let me know how things worked out.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm Shubha here from Bangalore.
Yes, Shubha.
Yeah. I had attended in 2004 your basic level in Chennai, and I've been practicing off and on. So now, like, it was very nice to attend the cell glow and this thing. I think it will be very useful. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks for joining. Okay. So I must thank all of you for joining this class. It's one of those classes which I, hold very close to my heart, because first level I was doing for more than a year. And then I started first in English, then in Tamil. And after that, I never thought I will do so many different classes initially when I started. But after that, I felt this need that, this metaphysics, all this has to be there. And that's how Cell Glow started. So this is that second step which I took. That's why I hold it very close to my heart. And just before we conclude, I thought I will also tell you that next week we have a class in Tamil. It's going to be a new class called Atma Tunai or Soulmate, about soulmate. And in English, we will have it maybe after a month. Probably in May, we will definitely have it. So I just thought I'll keep you informed. That was a subject which I was trying to, avoid. I didn't want to do because there are so many theories about it. But a lot of people seem to be needing more clarity on that topic. That is why, because they're making their lives miserable looking for a soulmate. So I wanted to, bring this clarity to some people, and that is the aim with which I'm thinking of doing that class. So just thought I'll keep you all informed, and we'll meet again. Thank you very much for being here. All the best. My blessings to all of you. Keep using the energy ball. Keep using the energy ball as much as you can. You will really enjoy life. Okay. Good night. Thank you.